My name is Henry Wilson. I'm the operations manager here at Fastlane Transportation. Fastlane Transportation is an asset-based trucking company and brokerage. We have 35 to 40 drivers and we have about 75 employees. We're based out of Wilmington, California. Here at Fastlane, we use the carrier solution, the product of PortPro, to do our day-to-day dispatching. The Fastlane was started in 1979 by Patrick Wilson, our founder and president. It was started as an owner-operator, and then he grew the company into the size it is today with the multiple depots and locations that we have from here all the way to Oakland, California. We do everything from repairs to container modifications, buying and selling containers, obviously drayage, and depot services from wheeled storage to stacked, loaded, and empty containers. It's definitely a family-owned company between my father, myself, my cousin, their general manager, and my aunt, which is the vice president. Well, Fastlane took a little while to get into the 21st century. We were mostly pen on paper before we found a system to help us with our drayage operation. The system was okay in certain aspects, and it was lacking a lot of customer interface and different things like that. So years after that, we wanted to find a new system and go into the different trade shows, and meeting with a couple PortPro representatives, we were able to see the system, demo it, and see that it was definitely going to be a huge part of our organization to go with PortPro and move the drayage operation in our company further.
I'm David Alvarez. I'm the transportation manager here, and I oversee customer service day-to-day and overall dispatch operations. I've been with the company for 22 years, so I've seen its developmental stages from the beginning, where we're very analog, to more recent times when we've gone digital. And the last step that we took, which is PortPro, was leaps and bounds above what we used prior to that.
Fastlane Transportation's dispatch and accounting team have cut work hours 30 to 35% since using PortPro. They've also saved up to 800 hours annually. Our drivers have saved 7,500 hours annually by using the driver app as well. These efficiencies have allowed Fastlane to boost its trucking capacity by 40% without adding any resources or staff. Another one of the favorite features of Fastlane is PortPro's driver app. It cuts down on time and fuel costs for our drivers and for us. The training portion of PortPro, we were able to get all of our drivers here in one room. A couple PortPro representatives came down, showed them the system. It was easy enough for our drivers to understand, and we were able to ask any questions that we may have, and they were answered then and there on the spot, which was fantastic. A big feature for us was the accessibility content portion of the PortPro app. It's allowing drivers to take pictures of port documents, PODs, and such in order for us to get our paperwork organized in a fashion where we can get the driver paid fast and efficient.
Well, most of our drivers, English is a second language for them. I feel that the language barrier was a non-issue with those guys. The app is very user-friendly and easy to navigate for them. So even if English is your second language, it was very manageable for them.
Our dispatchers were able to pick this up within a week or so and start utilizing it and reaping the benefits of the different things that PortPro offered.
One of our biggest pet peeves resolved by PortPro has been our invoicing. Prior to PortPro, invoicing took a little bit longer than it should have, or customers would demand PODs, send multiple requests. But with PortPro, customers get their PODs in real time, allowing us to invoice quicker.
Customer portal allows our customer to see in real time what we're doing and making sure that their load gets delivered on time.
PortPro has allowed us to provide better customer service to our clients by limiting the amount of auditing we have to do, really narrowing down on our mistakes, and providing better overall service for the customer, allowing them to bill their customers in a quicker manner. I think overall, PortPro has proved to be a very valuable tool at our company across all of our departments. It's just made us a more efficient trucking operation.
I would recommend PortPro for anybody in this industry, as it is a titan and it allows companies, big and small, to operate a drayage operation in the most simplest form. In lieu of the recent fires and winds in Southern California, PortPro was able to show us different routes in order to redirect our drivers to safer routes. I feel like our organization as a whole had a great level of stress off their shoulders and is able to move forward through their day without having to think about the smaller things